Do you remember last month when I made an update video for the channel stating that I didn't honestly think I'd be doing any public shows or exhibitions during 2021? Well, guess what? It turns out I was lying.
Wi-Fi Sheep would like to say a huge thank you to all of you that kindly support us. Help us continue to bring new videos like this. Join patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep from just $1 a month.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Welcome to Wi-Fi Sheep. My name is Tom and this is a very quick update to tell you about a public exhibition that I'm going to be doing, and it's coming up this month. That's August 2021. You've got about 2 weeks notice. I appreciate this is short notice, but I honestly didn't think we're going to be doing this. But there's going to be a Makefest event happening in Preston, which is a city in the northwest of England. It's actually going to be happening at the Harris Centre. That's an art gallery, library and exhibition space in Market Street or Market Square in the centre of Preston itself. It's happening on the 28th of August, that's a Saturday, and it will be from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m, so it's about a 3-hour window. Details are in the description to this video. It's an Eventbrite link, although you don't actually now need to register for tickets. This all changed in the last week. So the event is, as I said, it's a Makefest, so it's more about education, teaching, families, STEM, which stands for science, technology, engineering and mathematics, if I'm right. So it's more sort of young people orientated. And this is a trial event to see if it's actually possible to safely run future computer exhibitions and maker festivals under sort of COVID restrictions. So let's just run through what we've got at the show so far. So we've got Rachel's collection of microbit projects, Gary's human-sized robot that's made from 3D printed parts, Tom's 8-bit programmable computer. You can probably guess what I'm bringing then. Brian's Pi Wars robots, and Alan's cardboard museum of computing. We'll also have Anthony will be demonstrating games in Lua and Micromaker design challenges by Daniel and Theo. Just quickly, this is Alan O'Donoghue, who runs the or founder of the Raspberry Pi Jam Foundation. He appeared, I can't remember if it was earlier this year or late last year, on the BBC World's Click programme, demonstrating all the cardboard creations. He was making full-size artistic sort of mock-ups of retro computing, and it actually appeared on international television. It was shown in the BBC News channel here in the UK, but it was also on BBC World all over the globe. So yeah, he's going to be there. He's actually the organizer of this event, and he's going to be there with some of his cardboard computing. I'm going to be there with Tiny Basic Computers, so this will be the very first outing of our Tiny Basic Computers project. If you're not up to speed on what that is, here on Wi-Fi Sheep I have been running a project to build real programmable 8-bit computers using Arduino microcontrollers. The beauty of the project is you don't need to have any real experience in engineering. You don't actually need any real tools. It's all solderless. There's no heat, no chemicals, no soldering, no high voltages, and the whole project can be built for roughly under £30 depending on where you acquire your parts. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to this event. It'd be nice just as a trial event, just to get back out there and have Tiny Basic Computers on show. There's going to be some tour guides who are going to take you around the exhibitors, because we're all going to be split up around this building, so we're not all going to be together, so I don't know where I'm going to be. So a tour guide is going to take tour party around, and we're each going to give a brief 5-minute presentation as the tour group passes, showing you the project, and then after the tour's finished, you'll be free to wander around the event on the venue and come and talk to us as you want. So I think it's going to be a really great relaxed atmosphere. Stay tuned to Wi-Fi Sheep on social media in case things change. It's very possible that things may change last minute. I will update you either way. The address is @Wi-Fi Sheep. That's @Wi-Fi Sheep on Twitter. And as always, if you haven't done already, please do like and subscribe to us here on Wi-Fi Sheep. And I hope to see you in person real soon. Until next time, thanks so much for your company. Bye for now.